everybody, it's me, Jody Lynn. I just wanted to send out a quick video to refresh everyone on how to use newsela. So you're going to go to newsela.com. You're going to click sign in. You're going to log in with your Google account. You're going to come to their main screen here. You may or may not be aware that when you hover over your content, notice that newsela the district has partnered with them and shared with them the curriculum maps. So we have 3 ELA collections that are here. If you can't see it, you might want to click on these 3 dots in the corner of your screen. You notice that I have my screen set at 80%. If I had my screen set at 100% and I clicked over my content, you can see that I can't see it and I can't scroll down. So once again, if you can't see the collections, once again, go to the 3 dots in the corner, change your screen to 80%, and then you should be able to see everything. Let's go and look at how to assign something. While you're going to be putting it on your remote learning boards, you're also going to want to assign it in newsela and then add that link to your Google Classroom. So this is the 6th grade, and it's the same for all of them. I'm just going to come down here. We're going to be in Unit 8. So they have different text sets that they've curated for us. I'm just going to click on this first one about having empathy for people with physical disabilities. So I would ask you and your teammates to look at the stories and see which ones you like. When I click on this one thing that I do like is that it comes in Spanish so that we don't need to translate it ourselves. They've already done that for us. Remember, you can, if you are making accommodations for students according to their IEPs or their needs, remember you can vary the Lexile right here. When I want to look at activities, I could click on this link. It's going to show me that it has a writing prompt. You can always edit those by clicking on this button, and you could rewrite it if you want. You can also get a heads up and see the quiz. There's always a 4-question quiz. And you can see where it may be connected also in another packet. So you can see this article is also in the 8th grade packet. You can assign the article. So when you click on assign, it's going to ask you to select your class. If you haven't put in any classes yet, if you click create a new class, you can import from Google Classroom. And that's easy to do. You just click on that link. It's going to ask you to create the class or sync with your Google, and that's what you'll do. It'll generate this class code, and you can push the class code out to your students, or you can just put the link in there for them to join. So when I'm ready to save things, let's just go back to that content, that article. So I want to share with my students, and my team says, yeah, this is a good article to assign. I'm going to click assign. I'm going to select the class that I want to send it to. It's going to check, and all I have to do is click that assign button, and it assigns them to it in newsela. And it's really that easy. Remember, you're going to need to also include a PDF version of the articles that you're choosing for those students who do not have access to Google Classroom during this time. Let me know if you need any help with this, and I hope the video was helpful. Have a great night, you guys. Bye.